right, everybody, I want to let you know that I'm here with Jason, JJDrones360. I met up with him here today. He's come into my neck of the woods, so say hi to everybody, Jason.
How's everybody doing today?
Want to give a little talk with him while we're here visiting. We just went and had dinner together, so he's showing me his little home, his traveling home. So I started asking him some questions and thought I might as well ask him on camera. I mean, might as well vlog the vlogger, right?
That's right.
All right, so the first question I asked you is how many hours of downtime do you have each day?
Well, it all depends. Usually, like when I'm coming out here, I've only got 10 hours of downtime a day. So, and that just basically covers my break time for going to sleep and then get up and start driving again. But like here today, and even yesterday, because it's a holiday, I have a little bit more extra time. So I was able to spend 4 hours in Utah yesterday with Dan, droning veteran. And then today I got here at 5. Tomorrow morning I start at, let's see, I have to be up in Rancho at 8:30. So, you know, I have to start my day at 3. No, just kidding.
But you got to start your day answering comments and checking out what's going on YouTube before you can even get on the road.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I may not be the big YouTuber that Bob is, but I still have, I mean, I'm getting to the point now where I almost have to turn off my YouTube notifications because half of my notifications that I get during the day are YouTube notifications.
Right. Yeah. Well, I hear you there. We were talking at dinner time that it's difficult to get through the number of views that you have to deal with every day. I'm getting 500 to 600 a day that I've got to answer and deal with, and time's going to get tough for you, Jason, when you're on the road and you got to start dealing with that, because your sub count's going to start flying up. You're going to start gaining.
I'm hoping that, I mean, I already feel blessed to have the amount of subscribers that I have. I have 213 subscribers right now. When I started my YouTube channel, I pretty much had my immediate family, and that was about it. And then something happened where people were starting to watch the videos that I was putting out, and so more and more people started coming. And then as soon as I hit the 100 mark, I mean, I've already doubled from December where I was at. So, I mean, I'm extremely blessed. I can't thank everybody that watches my videos enough.
You know, the thing is people are interested in seeing what you're doing on the road. Traveling on the road it's interesting. It's not for everybody, but old gearhead type people like me, I like it. I like seeing some of the places you drive. I've gone through, and I can relate to what you've done.
Right, and I mean, I really have to give credit where credit is due. Christian, that does Mainlight Photo Drone, he was the one that was like, you know, you're a truck driver. You're trying to do things that are not natural to you. Go back to what you're good at, and that's truck driving. And so I got my first GoPro, and so I started doing the trucking vlogs with the GoPros and the camera up in the window. And then I got my second GoPro, and then I've got, you know, 2 different vantage points, you know. So, and I just feel comfortable talking about the trucking industry. I still incorporate my drones when I can, because as you know, you can't fly everywhere.
Right.
Especially when I do a lot of my travels down here in the LA area, it's harder for me to do. So,
yeah, the problem here is we have so many airports.
Right.
There's airports everywhere, and restrictions to where you can't go up. And if you get just a little bit farther east of here, going out of town, then the wind starts blowing more, and I mean, it's difficult to get drone footage around here. So your name is Drones,
right?
JJ Drones, but don't let it bind you to thinking you have to do a drone in every video, because I mean, in the beginning I thought, well, I want to have drones in all of them, but
right,
it's just not realistic.
Right, and that's, you're absolutely right. And sometimes I'm frustrated with myself for naming it JJ Drones, but I love drones.
Yeah,
I love flying.
That's okay.
Drones.
Incorporate it where you can. I mean, the name doesn't hurt. It's fine. The name's fine. just incorporate it where you can, and what you're doing is hitting. It's working. So just keep faith in people are more interested in watching, and they keep coming and joining in with you.
And I mean, like I said, I appreciate everybody that's come, and I appreciate anybody that comes in the future. But in the end, I just have to be me, because if I'm not me, then people are going to know that I'm fake.
Right.
And I don't want to be fake for the audience.
Right. And that's why my mistakes. I today am using Jason's microphones because I didn't bring any. So I make no bones about it. In my channel, I make mistakes continually. I'm always screwing something up, but that's me. I mean, that's life. No big deal.
You want to talk about mistakes? Just wait until Wednesday.
All right. Well, Jason, you'd like to say anything?
Like I said, I thank everybody for watching. I thank Bob for coming and grabbing me, because it's not always easy to walk across the highway to go to an In-N-Out burger, and but I've had the best week.
But Jai, I didn't have any.
No, he didn't. I made him eat a salad. But I've had the best time over these past 2 weeks. I'm meeting up with YouTubers. I've wanted to meet Bob now since I've met him, because I just think that we're basically two peas from the same pot.
Yeah.
And just the experience of doing YouTube. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, but you're afraid that you're not going to succeed at it, do it anyway.
Right.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Because I mean, I would have never met Bob or anybody else that I know on YouTube, and sometimes I get emotional thinking about it, because some of these people are going to be friends for the rest of my life.
Right. Dan, Droning Veterans, he stopped by Utah to visit him yesterday, and that was pretty cool. I've known Dan for quite some time, and have driven through Utah numerous times, but I didn't have a contact method to get a hold of him, but I'll make sure I get that.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I got his number in my speed dial, so.
Okay, everybody. I'm glad to be able to bring Jason here to you. This is JJDrones360. Please subscribe to him. He's a good guy. You'll like him.
There's multiple ways to find me. JJDrones360.com, JJDrones360 on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So there's plenty of ways to find me.
All right. Take care, everybody. We're
Thanks.
out.